Nice. Nice. My family and I had a really enjoyable experience on the sleeper train, by Sapaly, from Hanoi to Lao Cai. The cabin was clean and comfortable, and we were lucky to have the whole cabin to ourselves, which made the ride even better. We also appreciated the wash-up area on board. It was very convenient for a quick night wash and to freshen up in the morning. The air regulation in the cabin was great too. We initially thought it might feel stuffy, but it was actually very comfortable throughout the night. We slept surprisingly well, and there was even a wake-up call in the morning to make sure we didn't miss our stop. Overall, it was a smooth, cozy, and enjoyable journey for all of us. Would definitely recommend the sleeper train experience. We are satisfied with the service that they provide. Taking our luggages up and down going to the train is not easy, but they are very helpful. Our journey are very smooth going to Sapa. They very recommendable. The driver took forever to find us because they had stacked the name tags together. We were stuck at the station for a while and kept getting harassed by drivers trying to pick up passengers. The Chapa. Vic train to Hanoi from Sapa. The waiting lounge is not close to train station, it just walk around 2 minutes, everything was okay. Local Sea Travel offered excellent service, utilizing WhatsApp for communication and responding promptly to my inquiries. I took the train from Hanoi to Sapa, and booked a deluxe double cabin. It was very convenient, only 8 hours and number 39, sleep before arriving in Sapa. The train even provided drinks, snacks, and toiletries. There was also a morning call, which was a unique experience. Person in charge was proactive in contacting me about the booking details. Highly recommended. Person in charge was proactive in contacting me about the booking details. Highly recommended. All good. Had a wonderful and memorable journey. If you want to experience the local culture of Sabah, I highly recommend taking an overnight sleeper train. It and number 39. An unforgettable experience. You can also combine it with a taxi transfer, which will take you from the old street station to downtown Sabah. Tilda.